Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about how you can generate logos easily with the help of AI. That is AI logo generation. You heard that right. In this video today I'm going to help you to teach how you can generate a logo for your business, whether it's a small, big or any business type or category. You can easily make that with the help of the websites which I'm going to tell you. This number one website, as you can see here, design.com, is one of my most favorite and the popular one websites which you can use. Apart from that, there are other websites also which you can learn to generate AI logos with seconds. Let's talk about number one thing. You need to enter your business name. So for example, I want to generate a logo for my business and my business is based on a real estate. So I will write 101 real estate. So this is the name of my business example. I just need to write the business name. I'll click on start now. The moment I click on start now, it will generate the logos for me. You'll see that you need to confirm your keywords, like is it a property, real estate? Yes, it's a property business, right? So you need to continue with that. The moment you will click on that, it will generate more specific 101 real estate logos. As you can see here, these are so good. If you think that you love anything, for example, I like this one, I'm going to click on it. You need to click on it by continuing with your Google account or anything to start editing it. Now, editing means that you can change the color, you can change the font style, the colors, the background, etc., etc. Like this. As you can see here, you can change the layout, you can change the background, you can change the logo, the position also if you want to change it. And there are so many things that you can change. You can animate it also, and you can define the shape also, and then click on download. The moment you will click on that, you will generate a logo which is going to be super easy for you with the help of design.com. Let's move ahead with another video, another website, which is basically the logo maker. When you click on the website logomaker.ai, you'll see that you need to enter your logo name. This is the interface that you will get. Let's create a unique logo for your brand. You need to just write your name of your business. So for example, now I'm going to generate a business which is a jewelry business. So it is 101 jewelry, the slogan. If you want to have if you want to go with it, so for example, I write good product at affordable cost. Now these are the taglines which every firm, every company must be aware of. You need to enter that what your business is. Is it related to entertainment, internet technology? Because my is related to other means that it is related to jewelry. Now you can have any type you want, like warm, cold, contrast or anything. So I am liking this contrast, so I'll go with continuing that. Modern, the if you feel that okay, I'm choosing this font handwritten, and it is going to generate that logos for me in seconds. Now that is also another way to generate logo with the help of the website called as logomaker.ai. As you can see here, these are the logos which are there being generated. Let's talk about another, that is Canva. Canva is one of the most popular tools. Free AI logo generator has also been there in Canva. Canva was already making logos, but they were not AI integrated. Now it has created logo with the AI. That is a feature has been enabled in Canva to generate logos with the help of AI. You just need to describe your image. So I want 101. This is my business. For example, this is a fashion. Okay, fashion business. So fashion business logo. Okay, generate images. So it will generate images for me, whatever the keywords that I wrote into the Canva. This is going to be super easy because any way out you can select number of your logos that you want to have. As you can see here, 101 fashion. Now this is the image that has been generated, 101 fashion. This is such a beautiful logo. Now likewise, you can also change and write anything that you want and describe your image to generate your logos. Otherwise, you can go with ChatGPT also. ChatGPT, one of the AI tools. If you use it, you know that ChatGPT has tremendous possibilities. Even Gemini has also the same, but let's just go with ChatGPT here. You just need to write a prompt here. So I'll write the prompt here that design a logo which looks perfect for my business or restaurant. Okay, restaurant business, that is noodles business. Okay, so I have a noodle business and I want to generate, and name of my noodle business is 101 example. So it will generate that. Let's just click on that. Let's see what it will generate. So it is going to generate an image for me, which is the logo for my restaurant business, 101 Noodles business. Yeah, it has generated the logo, and the logo is so good. As you can see here, there is 101 and the noodles inside this zero. Good noodles, great mood. Wow, it has written the tagline also. And ChatGPT, one of the best sources to generate logos there. Even you can edit also. For example, you can click here. You can make any additions or any subtractions from the video, that is up to you. And in this video, I told you about how you can generate logos with the help of AI, with the help of the tools that I have shown you and the websites that I provided you. They are super free and easy to use to start generating your logos for your business. This was all about today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such content in the future. It was all.